It's me, Bird Girl. Didn't you know? Well, I'm back to tell you about a new photo contest for Celebrate Urban Birds. So I'm here in this great street side garden here to introduce you to this fantastic contest. The contest is really about you sending me your photos, your video, your artwork, anything creative that you want to show me where birds in your urban neighborhood hang out. So it could be a balcony, potted plant, it could be window boxes, even your local pocket park. We want to see your stuff, those photos, videos, and your artwork of the great little green places that birds hang out in your neighborhood. And of course, the deadline is October 31st, and we have great prizes for you. What are you going to find in little green places? Flowers, shrubs, vines, all kinds of plants that are great for birds. Anything that birds are going to find for food and shelter. Sunflowers are a great example of the types of plants that are fantastic for birds, especially for the little green places that you're going to show me. Why? Is because sunflowers, long after the flower is dyed, they've got seeds that are excellent for birds, very tasty and full of nutrients. And the birds eat them, and it helps them get through those long migrations and winters wherever they are. So remember, leave the flowers standing long after they're dead, because that's when the birds can really get to the seeds. I want to see your little green places for birds. Send me an email with little green places for birds in the subject line. And don't forget to attach your image, your photo, or your artwork. And you can even upload a video to YouTube or any other social networking site, but be sure to send us the link to your video. Visit the Celebrate Urban Birds website to find out more. This is Bird Girl, and I can't wait to see your little green places.